Good looking C3 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1978 Chevrolet Corvette L82 25th anniversary coupe. So 350 V8 power underneath the hood, of course. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, numbers matching. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, heater blows hot. Take a look at the front nose. You can see paint has a nice shine to it. I did notice a couple little touch-up spots right on the tip of the nose. Another one right there that's being awful fussy. Just a little bit of spider web in that clear. And this is a true 25th anniversary car. Tell that by the silver anniversary paint code on it, 13U/07M. And trim code on the car, 19C. So this does have the black leather with cloth inserts on the seats. Check out all the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on the correct 78 model year wheels. BF Goodrich radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side, and you can see it's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You're going to have a little small touch-up spot here or there. I did notice a little bit of pimpling up on the top of the hood, pretty minor. And once again, you can see paint has a nice shine to it. There's a good look at that interior with the cloth inserts. Power windows, AM, FM, cassette with 8-track player. Tilt and telescopic wheel. We will get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. We'll check out those headlights, make sure those are working. T-tops are in nice shape. You're going to be able to see those in the still pictures. They'll be on the car and off the car in the still pics. I just have them over to the side. For the time being, while we're doing this little walk-around video for you, dual exhaust, and that is complete front to rear, does not have catalytic converters on it. Electric rear to fog. And once again, all the still pics, UniqueClassicCars.com. Technician that looked at this car made a couple notes on it. Drove out very nice, checked out very well in the service department, by the way. Brakes are 90% in the front, they're new in the rear. Very minor weeps as far as the powertrain. So some slight weeping, nothing out of the ordinary. For a car that's driven, this is one of those cars, get in it, turn the key, go, have some fun. As you can see up and down this driver's side, also really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. If you're watching this video and like Corvettes in general, maybe just C3s, whatever it is, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. Driver's side looks good. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. So door panel's nice shape. This is also cloth insert right there, matches the seats themselves, and you can see really free of any major rips, tears, holes. A little bit of wear in the piping along the side right there, but nothing out of the ordinary. Again, tilt and telescopic wheel. Let's fire this up. Odometer reads 31,852. I cannot confirm or deny that as far as original miles, because once the car is a certain age, miles are no longer recorded on the title. It's just marked exempt. Judging by the condition of this car, it wouldn't surprise me if those are actual miles. All right, about the top of the dash, looks good. I have had the stereo working here. Let me find a station in the area I know I'll come in. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temp to be up. Here's the oil pressure gauge is working. Fuel gauge reads up there, battery. Doesn't look like the clock is working. AC works, it does blow cold. Let this warm up a little bit. Probably should check those lights. So, looks like they're still vacuum operated, work fine. We'll take a peek underneath the hood here too. There it is, that L82, 350 cubic inch V8, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Looks like a newer AC compressor, has been converted, 134A. It also appears everything is intact also as far as smog. Very original car. Slip around to the back seat here and run. Little rumble coming out of that 350. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where all the still pictures are. 1978 Chevrolet Corvette L82 25th anniversary car. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1978 Chevrolet Corvette. This one in silver with a black interior. I've got T-tops over my head. You gotta have T-tops. If they're available, it's just a fun feature to have. It fits the time period so nicely. Stick shift in this car, a 4-speed. Right here in the center console, shifting very nicely. The clutch feels good. Very smooth running Corvette. Our fuel gauge shows completely full. We are clock equipped over here though. I do not see it counting the seconds. Oil pressure about 45 psi and the battery's charging 14 volts as it should. Speedometer and tachometer also working as they should. Center to these bucket seats with edges that appear leather-like. Very nice. Same on the doors. We've got a multi-fabric scheme that looks very nice. Interior and exterior on this car look good. The brakes are pulling me slightly to the right. Sometimes that'll go away as you drive. Otherwise, a very smooth ride. The corners are very flat, as every Corvette should. this car in because the car has got